Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my patrons. Please consider supporting this channel by becoming a patron. Anyway, I have an interesting service story to tell you. So, couple of weeks ago, I'm driving my Tesla on FSD. I have the FSD beta, which is great. I love it. And all of a sudden, the screen freezes, the car freezes, nothing works. And then a few minutes later, maybe a couple hours later, the FSD starts working. And then after a little bit, it stops working. So no FSD, no cruise control, no autopilot, no emergency braking, like blind. The car went backward. Immediately, I made an appointment, and a couple of days ago, I dropped it off at my favorite spot, which is the Tesla Service Center in Springfield, New Jersey. I love going there. So I came there, I dropped off the car, and of course, when I'm there, I always like to take some videos of what's going on. You know, there are so many cars. If you have never been there, it's a gallery. It's the garage, the mechanics, so to speak. It's used car. And it's a delivery center. So the parking lot is full from side to side, back and forth. And also the cars on the side that you see, these are the cars that are being delivered today. And every hour they get delivered and a new batch is coming. So this is the inside of the garage. They were very nice. People dropping the cars. Fantastic. Okay. So I asked for a loaner. They didn't have loaners. They gave me $600 worth of Uber rides. I said, I don't like to do this, whatever. So anyway, I took an Uber back and forth. I have an extra car, so I drove it. I was hoping to get a Tesla Model X, of course, but didn't happen. Anyway, they fixed the car, and when I get in, as you can see in this video, the cruise control, the autopilot, everything's worked, but the screen went back to the oldest version that I bought the car. Unbelievable. It's version 2021 36.5.1. It's like the version I had when I bought it, I don't know, like 5 months ago, 6 months ago, whatever it is. It's like unbelievable. So what happened? The FSD beta gone. We went back from to the beginning of the car. My profile is gone. The connection to Bluetooth is gone. I tried to reconnect it, gone. It's like I just bought the car and nothing is working. So of course I sent on the app a service call. They're supposed to come in a couple of days. So I am hoping that I'll get a software update soon and everything will revert. But in the meantime, no FSD beta. I had to enroll in the FSD beta, which took me last time like 2 months to get in with a high score. I'm like so upset. I worked so hard to get 97 to get into the program, and I was reusing it, and now I can't. I'm no longer FSD. That's very upsetting. So hopefully they'll send me an update, and I'll go back to. So the one great thing was, you know, they did a great job. I asked the guy, what would it cost if I had to do it myself? He said, we replaced the entire computer, not just the FSD computer. The entire computer would have cost you $2,000. Of course, it's free, it's under warranty and all that. And he said to me, this is like the 2022 computers, like the top of the line. So this thing is like the best that we have. It's never going to break. So that's great. But why am I back to the old software? I don't get it. So hopefully this is all going to sort out and I can automatically get back my FSD, which will be great because I don't want to go through that testing again. Anyway, so other than that, except for the no loaner, which is very disappointing. Yes, I did get $600 in Uber, fine. But, you know, I prefer not. I mean, I'm lucky I have an extra car, that my kid's car, so I use that. That's okay. So the Uber was great. The service was great, everything. But, you know, they used to give you car wash. The car is filthy, dirty. They didn't even charge the car, even though they have chargers outside the service center. Like, they have 6 chargers. I went down to like barely 100 miles. So it's like, you know, take it as it is. So, and of course, the disappointment that the car is back to the oldest version. That's very disappointing. So, and I had to re-enter all my passwords and contacts and all that stuff. So, anyway, so we'll see what happens with the new version. I'll let you know if I get it back and if I get the FSD beta. Okay, that's the update. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.